So do you want to know an interesting story? A friend of mine contacted me the other day and told me that they had gone and spent upwards of $10,000 buying inventory. And this sparked off a really interesting conversation. I asked them, that's awesome. So do you know who you're going to sell to? And their answer was, kind of. And I said, okay, well, this is not a good start. Have you tested the product? Do you know that there's market demand? And they answered, I think so. You know, there was actually a much smarter way for you to test whether or not there was a market that wanted your product. And they were all ears, they sat up and they wanted to know more. And then I said, well, grab a coffee and let's chat. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you what I shared with them. And I promise you that by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what is dropshipping. Yes, dropshipping. Some businesses have made this the core of their logistical and product sourcing method for their business. I think it's a great way to start to prove that a product has demand and people are willing to actually pull out their credit cards and pay for what you've got to offer them. Over time, I would suggest moving from a dropshipping model into some kind of white labeling, private labeling, wholesaling, or third-party logistics, kind of like 3PL sourcing solution. But for the beginning, I think dropshipping is an amazing model to just get going with. I promise you, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what is dropshipping, how to use it, and when you should use it for your business. So if that sounds cool, then let's head over into this video now. I want to go ahead and share with you the actual logistical business model that we're going to pick, as well as it kind of interlinks with the product sourcing method that I'm leaning towards actually picking and using here, right? So this is going to be the dropshipping model. For those of you that are not familiar with the dropshipping model, this is a quick crash course 101 on what the dropshipping model is and how we will use it. So what's going to happen is you're going to have a customer that will head over to your store, your funnel, your product page, and they will buy your product for $100. And then from there, you go ahead and you contact your supplier, your manufacturer, and you pay them the $40 for the product. Then, quite simply, the supplier is going to send over the product directly to your customer using the shipping details that your customer inserted on your store and when they place the order with you. And then the fulfillment of that product delivery is actually handled by your supplier, which is pretty cool. Then I suggest going ahead and using the $60 profit that you would have made to go and set up a winning offer funnel. Now, quite simply put, all a winning offer funnel is building in upsells, cross-sells, order bumps, not just of physical products. You can now go ahead and combine memberships, information products, digital products, and if you're not at the point yet where you want to go ahead and create these for yourself, what you're able to do is kind of slap on some affiliate marketing products where you're essentially a virtual salesperson, right? A commission-based only salesperson. And you can then go and connect this into your thank you page and so forth, right? On your funnel. And that way it increases your average cart value and some people are going to take up that affiliate offer, which is pretty cool. So this is going to be the business model that we end up using for this online clothing store. I'll catch you in the next section. Public service announcement. I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to try and over-deliver even more for you. So here's a golden nugget for you. If you are starting an online business or have an online business already, but you struggle to find products and services that sell consistently month in, month out, then you're going to want to check out Ecom Conquest. Ecom Conquest is a complete done-for-you research service, which gives you market research like no other. Inside of this completely done-for-you research service are research reports. These reports are packed with industry and market and niche breakdowns that you've never seen anywhere else before. These breakdowns are focused on the actual services and products that you can use to go ahead and sell more products and services to your existing customers. Here are just some of the things that each Ecom Conquest research report includes. Up to 30 affiliate marketing programs that are curated for you, and they include the cookie duration, all the links to the home pages, the affiliate sign-up pages, as well as the percentage of commission that you would earn for that affiliate product. Up to 10 winning e-com products if you're into that physical e-com game. ad copy ideas for your physical winning products, as well as subscription business model ideas for you to be able to go ahead and create a complete business where people pay you every single month and you have predictable revenue coming in. We share with you cause marketing partners, as well as what that payday could look like if you ever had to flip your e-com business, right? As well as 2 courses. One of them shares with you how $1 million brands generate upwards of $1 million per month with their digital media businesses, where they combine e-commerce, subscription, affiliate marketing, and a whole bunch more in order to be able to build these media empires. So if all of that sounds cool and you want to model businesses like that and jumpstart your business, then you're going to want to check out Ecom Conquest. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description for you to check out Ecom Conquest. Now, back to the video. If you enjoyed this video and this video answered the question, what is dropshipping for you? Then you're going to want to check out one of these videos. So go ahead and tap or click on the screen right now, because this will be part of the foundations that'll help you move over from dropshipping into a branded model. You have to start a brand somewhere. So you got to start generating some brand colors or developing your brand identity with logos and favicons and stuff like that. So go ahead, click or tap the screen now. I'll catch you there. Until then, peace and God bless.